Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business, and it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.